In this question it is given that the vector sum of two forces is perpendicular to their vector difference. That means, suppose if you are considering one force is F vector. Vector sum of two forces, मान लो that means A vector plus B vector is perpendicular to their vector difference. That means this vector is perpendicular to A vector minus B vector. Vector difference means A minus B. Vector addition means vector sum means A vector plus B vector. And question indirectly they are saying that A vector plus B vector is perpendicular to A vector minus B vector. So what is the angle? What about their magnitude? So we know that when two vectors are perpendicular, as an example, so let's say we are having a vector C vector and another vector is D vector. If C vector and D vector are perpendicular, so their dot product should be equal to 0. So if A plus B is perpendicular to A minus B, that means we can say that A vector plus B vector dot A vector minus B vector should be equal to 0. So just find out what about the value of A vector dot A vector. So A dot A is nothing but A into cos of theta. Angle between A vector and A vector is 0, that is cos 0, cos 0 is 1. So A vector dot A vector is going to be A square. Same as like that we can write that is minus of this negative sign I'm just writing over here. A vector dot minus B, that is minus of A vector dot B vector plus. Now we can go for B vector dot A vector, so that we can take it as plus A vector dot B vector, because B dot A dot B are same, minus this B vector dot B vector, which we can take it as something but let's say B vector dot B vector, this should be equal to 0. Now what is A vector dot A vector? We know that A vector dot A vector is A into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So A dot A is A square minus, now you can observe that this minus A dot B and plus A dot B will get cancelled. So the remaining thing is minus. What is B dot B? B dot B is B into cos 0, that is B square, which should be equal to 0. That means A square should be equal to B square. If you're taking root on both the sides, we can write A is equal to B. So it's indicate that the magnitude of A should be equal to magnitude of B. So you can just see the first option are equal to each other in magnitude. That means A vector and B vector should have the same magnitude. Then only the value of A vector plus B vector is perpendicular to A vector minus B vector.